In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this little person SVG icon with an actual picture of yourself. WordPress 2020 theme has a lot of great features, but this one particularly doesn't quite work. It's kind of like a male figure, which cuts out part of your audience, and it just looks kind of goofy. So let's replace it. It's going to make a big difference for you. So first, you just need an image. You can download an image from Facebook or wherever, and then you can go to PicMonkey, and you can make that image a circle. So what I like doing is using the old PicMonkey, just because I'm familiar with it. Then you can hover on Edit and click Computer, enable Flash, all that. Then just find an image, select it, and click Open. So it's really easy to make an image a circle. You first just have to make it a square. So I'm going to hit Crop and go with a nice even 1000 by 1000 dimensions. Click Scale Photo, and then just drag so you can get the right part of the image, and then drag so you get a full square. Alright, perfect. And of course you can make the square bigger or smaller if you want to select different parts of your image. Once you have the right selection, just go ahead and click Apply. Now we're going to go to the border area, so right here on the picture frame, and click Shape Cutouts, and right away the circle should be selected. So there you go, you have your image in a circle on a transparent background. You just need to export it, name it, and save it. Now back in WordPress, for the tricky part, we need to go to our dashboard and hover on Appearance and click Theme Editor. And if it says you shouldn't edit this, don't worry, just say OK and proceed. Now after a ton of hunting, I found the right file to edit in the ink folder, and that's called template tags. For some reason, template tags usually solves a lot of problems. So once you're in template tags, just put your mouse somewhere, don't change anything though, and do Command or Control F for find, and just type in meta-icon and hit enter. Alright, so this is not the right meta icon. I am going to hit enter again. And I know that this is the right meta icon. So what we're looking at here are 3 sections with meta icons. So there's one, and then beneath it there's another one, and then beneath it there's another one. And these 3 meta icon sections, if we open up our site, correspond to the 3 different types of post information: your name, date, and the comments. And then there's an icon for each of them. Of course, we're going to replace this little person icon. So you want to scroll up to the first meta icon area right here. This is where we want to be looking, and it looks a little too much the same as the other ones, but this one says post author, so that's where you want to be. Now the one line we're going to delete is just what I'll highlight here with the 2020 theme and the SVG for users. So actually that little guy is a user. You can just delete everything I've highlighted right here. Don't delete any more though. And then hit enter a couple times to give yourself some spaces. Now we're going to hover on new and right click post to open that in a new tab. And here's where we're going to upload our image. So we need to hit plus, and we're going to get ourselves a classic block. Alright, now we're going to put our mouse in there and add media. And then here's my image I've already uploaded. So you should know how to upload an image from your computer already. And then media library. So we're going to choose our circle image, just insert into post. And then we're going to click on the 3 dots and go to edit as HTML. And we want to copy this, but we don't want to copy the P tags per paragraph. So get rid of those. Lastly, what I'm going to do is just double click on these 500s, and we're going to make them something a lot smaller, like 50, and 50 for the other one. Alright, now you're ready to highlight all this HTML. It's a little HTML munch, copy it, and we're going to go back to our theme editor, and we're just going to paste that in this space we made right here. Awesome, alright, so we'll get rid of that other space at the top just so it's clean, and update, and let's see what we made. So now when we go to a post, it should show a picture of us. So cool, we basically did the job. There's just a little bit too much padding and margin around it. So we're going to go back to your theme editor. Put your mouse right before the SRC right here. See this little space right there? And I'm going to write style equals quotation mark margin colon 0 semicolon padding colon 0 semicolon, and then close quote and space. So putting a little inline CSS there on that image, when we update the file, should get rid of that unnecessary spacing. We can just refresh, and voila, you did it. If you want to make your image bigger, you can of course change that 50 to the perfect image height and width for you. And update. Alright, great job. Thanks so much for watching. You now know how to replace that little user SVG with your own photo in the 2020 theme. Please subscribe for more free WordPress tutorials. Your ability to learn WordPress really can't wait. If you learned anything, hit that like button, and if you have a question, of course, drop it in the comments below. I'm Gardner Ryan. Thanks for watching.